Hey guys, today we're going to be making adorable glitter glue table decor. What you will need: a hot glue gun, of course. You can use glitter glue sticks or you can use just the regular clear glue sticks and add your own loose glitter to it, whichever you prefer. Printouts of whatever leaves or floral pictures you'd like. Silicone mat. The silicone mat works really well with the hot glue because it prevents it from sticking and you can easily peel it off. But you can also use, say, like a glass picture frame or anything like that. Just anything that will prevent the glue from adhering to it. Alright, let's get started. Today's video is sponsored by Bleds. They sent over their cordless glue gun with storage case, and today I'm going to show you some of the features I love about it. First of all, it's cordless, which is a game changer in itself. That makes it very easy. You're not limited to an outlet when you're working on DIY projects, so that's a huge plus for me. It's fast preheating without all of the messy glue dripping. Rechargeable, so you just use the cord and you can recharge it. You don't have to worry about batteries, or again, you don't have to worry about a cord, so I think that is awesome. And it comes with 30 glue sticks. It also has this adorable stand. Multiple stands actually. So there's this purple stand that you can place on the bottom, or you can just pull out this metal stand here and use that one as well. So very versatile, whatever is best for the project that you're working on at the time. And don't forget the adorable storage case. It's so cute and precious. I love the color. I love that it's a hard shell and it has a little pocket where I can fit the glue gun. I have space for glue sticks, charger. I can even fit in a few other items if I'd like, and I can work on projects on the go. It only takes 1 to 3 minutes to heat up because of the advanced heating system. So this is a perfect present for Christmas, Mother's Day, birthday, whatever you prefer. Any DIY or crafter is going to love that feature. So the cordless hot glue gun has a built-in 2900 milliamp hour premium lithium ion battery, which supports the continuous use of 60 to 90 minutes. And it takes about 2 to 4 hours to fully charge. This glue gun has the latest leak-proof technology, which prevents all of the messy glue droppings during the heating process. And I just love the overall aesthetic of it. And it's so cute and girly, but it's very practical. My charger, my stand, my glue sticks, and everything in this nifty little case, and it has a handle, and it's a hard shell case. Be sure to click the link in the description box below and check it out for yourself. So I have these leaves, and they're just going to be like my guide. So I try not to make them too small because the glue starts to kind of merge together and you can't really see what you're working with, unless you want to go for that style where it's kind of like intertwined. But if you want it to be more defined, then just make it a little bit larger so that you can easily define it and see what exactly it is you're going for. So you could actually place the pictures behind the silicone and just trace it, but I feel like sometimes it gets a little lost in the mix. So I find myself just freestyling it most of the time. So we're just going to go ahead and start by doing so. But I do have the pictures here as a guide. So I'm just taking my hot glue, and I did start with the glitter hot glue sticks. And I'm just drawing and making sure I connect all the hot glue so nothing is dangling or anything like that. And you don't have to worry about adding glue afterwards, because that's the great thing about using the glitter stick, is it cuts out that extra step and it's less messy, so that's pretty neat. And I'm going to make another leaf. I like making different styles and types and sizes of leaves just because I feel like it looks so cute all together, and that's the great thing about it. You can make whatever style you prefer. If you want them all to look one specific way, one specific size, you can definitely do so, and you can trace it. Or you can just do like what I'm doing and just freestyling it, having fun with it, go with whatever you think looks the best. But again, I do have pictures as a guide for me, but either way works. So I'm still using the hot glue stick. Next, I'm going to show you the process with the clear glue sticks and using just fine powder glitter, which is the exact same process. Just the only difference is once you finish drawing your leaf with your hot glue gun, then you want to immediately follow up with the powder glitter so that it can dry all together. Once I have a decent amount of leaves made, I'm going to start with the first one making sure that it's dry. And when I'm using the silicone mat, it makes it just that simple to peel it off. And it comes off in one piece, and it's very quick and easy. It's so cute and precious. I like the glitter sticks just because it's, I don't know, it just looks so cute and precious. And it just skips the extra step of having to pour the glitter. But I also like the way that the glitter looks because it's so cute in itself. And even if you want to kind of place the glue on a canvas and then use the glitter or even spray paint and then remove it, and that way you have kind of like a shadow picture, that would be really pretty as well. So you can just have fun with this. After I remove those, I'm just going to play around with some other ideas. Now if you want to make like a tree or branches or anything like that, this is just like a small scale of it, but you can definitely make a huge tree with big, thick, gorgeous branches, and it will look so beautiful. You can definitely do that and even add your own leaves to it and just really make it very intricate. Then you can add glitter, spray glitter, whatever you like, or even use the glitter glue sticks, whatever you prefer. And I'm just going to try just a couple of different styles and patterns and just repeating the same step. You can also make words and pictures and just have fun with it and just be creative, make cute little squiggles or whatever you prefer. But it's looking so cute and precious, and you can just add this as like table decor, table scatter. It's fun for like if you want to personalize it for with someone's name, you can do that, or whatever you prefer. You can even make one long vine that intertwines and make it like very intricate. You can just have fun with it. The possibilities are endless, but it's so quick, simple, and easy to make. Modify the colors, the styles, add in any additional glitter or embellishments or intricacy that you'd prefer. This project is so simple and easy to do, and having a cordless hot glue gun definitely made the process a lot easier. I didn't have to worry about having a cord, dragging it across my project, or messing up anything. That was very convenient. Make sure you click the link in the description box below to check it out for yourself.